Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Ready to revert your ChromeOS Flex setup back to Windows? This guide has you covered. I'll show you a simple method using free tools to create a bootable USB and reinstall Windows 11 cleanly. Back up your data first, as everything gets wiped. No extra hardware needed. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Ventoy Official. Click the top link to the Ventoy site. Head to the Downloads section and grab the latest Ventoy ISO file. It's open source and lets you make a multi-boot USB. Click it to download from SourceForge or similar. Wait for the ISO to finish downloading to your Downloads folder. Open the Files app. Go to Downloads. Right-click the Ventoy ISO file and select Zip. This creates a new zip file in the same folder. It's needed for the next steps. Next, get the Windows 11 ISO. On the official Microsoft page, scroll to Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for x64 devices. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition from the drop-down, then Confirm. Choose English United States as your language. Hit the 64-bit download button. This file is large, so let it finish. Link in the description for convenience. Now, prepare the USB with the Chromebook Recovery utility. Search for Chromebook Recovery utility in your browser. Click the Chrome Web Store result. Select Add to Chrome. In the pop-up, click Add Extension. The icon appears in your toolbar. Click it to open. Now click the gear icon in the top right. Select Use Local Image. Navigate to Downloads. Pick the Ventoy zip file. Insert your USB drive, at least 8 GB. Choose it from the drop-down. Click Continue, then Create Now. This formats the USB and makes it bootable. Wait for completion, then click Done. With the USB ready, restart your device. Click the time in the bottom right corner. Select the power icon, then restart. As it boots, repeatedly press the boot key, often Escape, F12, or F9. To find the exact key for your device, quickly search on Google for your model name plus boot menu key, like Dell Inspiron 15 boot menu key. In the boot menu, select your USB drive. You'll see the Ventoy screen. Choose Ventoy in UEFI mode or the default option. Once loaded, select Install Ventoy to disk. Pick your USB drive carefully. Avoid your main drive. Confirm the warning to format. Wait for installation, then exit. Back in ChromeOS Flex, open Files app. Go to Downloads, right-click the Windows 11 ISO and copy it. Open the USB or flash driver, then the Ventoy partition. Right-click inside and paste the ISO. Let the copy finish. Once completed, restart again via the Time and Power menu. Enter the boot menu, select the USB. In Ventoy, choose the Windows 11 ISO. Select Boot in Normal Mode. Windows Setup loads. Pick English United States for language, time, and keyboard. Choose Install Now for a fresh setup. This erases everything. Check the I accept box for terms. Click Next. Accept the license. For a clean install, manage partitions. Select each partition on your main drive, usually disk 0, and click Delete. Don't touch the USB. Once all are gone, you'll have unallocated space. Select it and click Next. Click Install. Windows creates partitions automatically, copies files, and restarts a few times. Normal. Takes 15 to 30 minutes. After the final reboot, the out-of-box experience begins. Follow prompts for region and keyboard until the Let's Connect You to a Network screen. To set up a local account without Microsoft Online, press Shift plus F10. On laptops, try Shift plus Fn plus F10. This opens Command Prompt. Type start space ms-cxh : local only. All one word, no spaces after the colon. Hit Enter. A Create a User for this PC window pops up. Enter your desired username. Click Next. Windows will skip the network and other prompts and finish setting up. After a minute or two, you'll hit the privacy settings screen. Choose your preferred options. Click Accept, and you're done. You'll boot to the desktop with a local account. That's all. You've switched from ChromeOS Flex to Windows 11. Comment how it went or your hardware specs. Stay passionate about tech!